Hello, champion. George Duart here from the Georgie's Live Cooking Show. Today is August 1st, 2019. As you can see in the subject line, it says Virgin Pina Colada. We're going to jump right into it. So here we got coconut milk. We have some frozen pineapple. We have some ice. We got some pineapple juice. We have a little bit of mint that we're going to use at the end. So we're going to go in. How about that? So I'm going to take the coconut, the pineapple. We're going to take the pineapple. We're going to save them pineapples for the end. We're going to put the ice in here. We're going to put the coconut milk in here. And then guess what we're going to do after that? We're going to blend. We're going to go brrr. We're going to go brrr. Let me get this down here so I can cut my fruit a little bit when we go in. All right, here we go. Here we go. Turn this, make sure everything's turned down. Everything comes on. Here we go. I gotta add. What we got?
We got Rhea Santos Stolar.
Rhea, what's up, champion? Now we're gonna put a little some pineapple juice in there. Mix that in there too. That's gonna go in there. We're gonna put this bad boy to work. Rhea, we gotta take a picture, Rhea. We gotta take a picture. That's it. Now, of course, if you want it to be a grown folks drink, you can add some alcohol to it if you want. But that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep this. How you call it?
Rated PG.
No, rated
G.
Rated G. Rated G. For gorgeous and delicious. Hit this one more time. So we're gonna pour this in here like that. We're gonna pour this in here like that because it's gonna be nice and slushy too. Put that in there like that. We're gonna put some more over here. Don't want to be left out. Okay, we're gonna wipe this down a little bit. We're gonna wipe that off a little bit. We're gonna take this little bit right there and kiss that on there. We're gonna kiss this piece over there on that, like that. We're gonna take this mint and pop that in there like that. Boop. So next thing we're gonna do now, we gotta get a photo of this whole thing. We gotta get a photo of this whole thing, and then we be done. We be done, y'all. This has got to be the quickest cooking show in history. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take a quick photo. Let me unplug this. We're going to have a hot mess with that. Now, if you don't have a Vitamixer, you can use a blender or something like that. But I encourage you to use something that's a high speed with a lot of RPMs on it. With a lot of RPMs. I know my son can't wait to taste this too.
Funny thing is, I didn't like pineapple growing up, but I love it.
Okay, we're gonna get a little close up. We're gonna get the close up now. We're gonna get the close up now. How about the color close up now? Yes. So here we go. Let's try it. Yeah, that's delicious. Yeah. Okay, you stay right where you are. Okay, I'm gonna reach over. I'm gonna reach over to him, let him taste it. Now watch what happens. He gonna be smacking, y'all. He gonna be smacking. All right, salute. He gonna be smacking. It's good. This is good.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this mint out for a minute and pour some more in here. So this is like a nice little treat too, because when you want something slushy on a nice hot day, why not have a pina colada that's got some? That's a virgin pina colada, right?
Just don't get caught in the rain.
Ha. Yeah, this is good right here, y'all. I gotta take another picture of that though. Just one more time and I'm gonna let y'all go. All I'm saying is this is delicious. That's all I'm saying. It's delicious.
Philip C. Duhardy.
Phil, what's up, brother? All right, so guys, just as we recap, we did some coconut milk. We did some frozen.
Brian Rimbus is watching.
Brian, what's up, champion? We did some coconut milk. We did some pineapple juice. We did some frozen pineapple. We did some ice. That's it. Put a little garnish with some mint on top. Took a little bit of this right here, the frozen pineapple. Blend it all together. It's good.
Philip says he's good. I'll read it.
Awesome. Well, guys, that's it. Nice, plain, simple, awesome, delicious. Quick. The virgin pina colada. That's all you got to do. Make sure you got a high-speed blender. Bam. So, guys, I want to thank Rhea. I want to thank Brian. I want to thank Phil. Anybody else out there in TV land? I want to thank all you guys for watching and for you watching this in the pre-recording. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you like the video. Let the world know about George's live cooking shows. Let the world know about George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, our all-purpose rub. Matter of fact, we're going to be 16th, 17th, and 18th of August. We'll be at the Bridgewater Fair. Make sure you come down there. You can inquire about how you can pre-order our barbecue sauce and our rubs by going to www.sauceforme.com. Put your name and email in. You get 7 free recipes. You'll be tied in to all of our upcoming events, all our products and services. And we want to thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhar from George's Live Cooking Show. Fired up. God bless.